Hello guys, do you want to hear my new song? If you're happy and press alt F4. If you want to be a pro and you really want to show, and you really want to show, press alt F4. Yeah, that's it, and it really sucks. Today, me and Demon Doge will play Build-A-Boat, the game where you see weird builds, AFK grinders, and yeah, made a lot of videos on this for like. And if you think I sound like a girl, I don't. Yeah, the game where I never heard of a monster truck. Jesus, things must be in the future. This guy is. That guy is from the future. King. I don't want to say it if it's a bad word. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. The big builds you never want to see, and. Holy Jesus. But you know what's so good in this game? It has no physics. So if you just go press this button, that button, this button. Jesus. See? You, the best Pokemon is this weird jet. It's like the best Pokemon ever. Like, I don't know why. If you don't say it's best Pokemon, you're kinda wrong. It's just the jet. That. See, I'm really smart. I know what the best Pokemon is. And, yeah. That's the best Pokemon. Yes. Yes, I meant Doge. Well, I really wish I had a video editor so I can just blur out his thing and mute myself. So, yeah, this is the game Build-A-Boat. You build rafts. You build literal rafts. You build rafts of people. And yes, they're made out of this thing called wood. And yes, all you have to do is this. Yeah, it can be a blue raft. You add your flag, and then add 1 billion gold under here. This is how you make the best raft in raft history. Just after this thing called gold. It can help you in a lot of situations. Oh yeah, I forgot if I said, but Demon Doge, the guy sitting right by me, my friend, his channel will be in the description as well as the game. Most people know this game. It's famous. Because It's obviously famous because you can go on the front page and exactly see it. Yeah, you build ramps with no gold underneath. Yeah, it's a really good game. When you see those weird freaking things and they... Yeah, you just mind your own boat, don't mind the plots. And you see a portal right there and seeing people jump out of it and die. Go in the water. You technically don't die because it's just water to swim out. This game does not have physics, and I love it. And I drink my beep is all day. Did not spill it, totally. But for real, I did not spill it. No. Liquid in it. Oh my god, we're taking damage. See, they're rocks. They spawn back in from the abyss. Come back and it's... Oh, that's right. That could be a rap. Rapper. If I... Yes, and I guess. Jeez, I'll be the most famous raptor. Rap. Don't judge me by what I say. Oh my god, I have 48 videos? Yeah, I need to delay something. Yeah, if you guys got any... If you guys know a video editor that's easy to use, that is free, please tell me. And make sure there is no virus. Please. Because I do need a video editor, because I can add memes and meme investing. And then more entertainment. And yay. That's why I need one. And yes, I'm saying it. Physics don't matter. I still wonder. And yes, you might lose an arm and you will not. So, yes, you lose your head. Yes, you float and have no leg, foot. And I'm not doing typos for Henlo. H-E-N-L-O. H-E-N-L-O. That's how they'll just say it, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah. I'm gonna say that now. And wow, we just got hit by a train. Perfect timing. I hate the clickbait videos where it's like, then a guy just jumped out of his video. I mean, I keep saying it, jumped out of his roof and then he died. For real, don't think it's not. Yeah. I still wonder. Wait, what? Someone was an AFK farm? I remember those were a thing. All I know is the AFK farm I used for a tutorial in one of my videos. You can go check it out if you want. Do I still have the AFK? No, I don't. This is the manual. Oh, that's like saying. Let's use the battleship. The battle load. This is the battleship. Welcome. This is the tour. I know I keep doing tours that suck a lot, but yes, this is the down floor. Yes, we do not care about that lever. We have TNT. We have the controller chair. Definitely will not fall out. We have cannons. And yes, we do not care about physics. And yes, we have dumb controllers. I'm just kidding. He's not dumb. He's smart. Alright. He's not dumb. Oh, shit. I forgot the controls. And yes, ship might be slow, but doesn't matter. It's a ship. Yes, we chase our enemies down till they strike. Yes, and we don't care about our problem. Hey, get in! Get in! Get in! Free candy! Free candy! I might sound that bad, okay. We drop our TNTs like a boss. And yes, we don't. Do I have cap locks on? No. Okay, let's go to the end actually. Get in the box! I feel like that's like, I don't want to say it, get demonetized. I just started YouTube, don't judge me, I don't know stuff. Oh, I hate that face. Don't use it. Well, use it if you use it, but don't use it around me. It's creepy. You can go to Nightmare and see someone with that face. You would scream to death. Scream. Like, wouldn't you? Just look at that face. It's so creepy. That person looks so happy in a creepy way. I don't know why. It's just so weird. And there's that. Look at this guy with my mouse. Is he made out of bacon? I can't do zoom. But is that guy made out of bacon? No, not the bacon. This guy right here. You have to say no, thank you. Not thank you. Oh no, oh no. Oh, no. Oh, shit. Oh no. Well, I just fall into the water that looks like soy milk. I wonder how soy milk can oof you. That will be it, cause this video is about 14 minutes long. Hope you enjoyed for some reason. And yeah, bye.